Hey guys, so this is a donkey kick tutorial, short tutorial for those of you who are finding the donkey kick to be a little bit challenging. Look, it is challenging, but everyone who's ever taken my classes consecutively and has gained a little bit of strength in their upper body, and then we tweak the physics, the position of your shoulders and where everything is. And I promise this is something that you can do that's challenging, but absolutely doable for everyone. So step one, make sure that you have been working out for a little bit. You do have some strength in your shoulders. That's step one. So you don't want to just jump into the donkey kick. But let's start with your hands. So you're going to spread your fingers wide, pushing through the tips of your fingertips to protect your wrist. Step one. So here is step one, shoulders right over your wrists, and you're just gonna lift your knees off the floor and kind of take them wide. So one thing that a lot of people do, which is incorrect and makes it really challenging, is their shoulders are way back here. So when your shoulders are way back here, you have most of your weight in your feet, and there's nowhere to really go or to lift. This should be a light, floating-like experience. So shoulders over your wrists, and your shoulders also down away from your ears, because you don't want to put any of the strain in your neck. So gaze forward, so not down. A lot of times we'll do exercises with your head down, which is great, but this is not one of them. You want to keep your chin lifted, shift forward. Pick a spot about a foot in front of you to gaze at. Shoulders down, over your wrists, looking forward. Walk your feet forward and kind of wide on the balls of your feet. So step two is a little bit of a hop. So just shifting forward, really engage your fingers. Sometimes people get a little overexcited and they'll just launch into it and topple forward. That's also something we like to avoid. All right, so chin lifted is going to help that. Shoulders over your hands, and you're just kind of little hop. Keep your head lifted. I think a lot of times too, people's heads will lift, and when they lift off the floor, they kind of drop, which sends momentum forward. You want to keep your head up. So, little jump. Oh, look, little jump. As you slowly work towards coming forward, your legs get lighter because your upper body is taking most of the weight. So then the legs are no bigs, right? So you're just going to practice here. And once you get a little bit more comfortable, you can start bringing your heels towards your butt. Yeah? Oh, look at that, nice and light. No pounding or crashing into the floor. Shoulders away from your ears. So first little hops, and then maybe a little lift, and a full donkey kick, which I very rarely do, and I actually just realized that I never do, is to bring your legs all the way out into a straight kind of a V. We will never do that in my class, but just for funsies, it's the same thing. You just bring it up, out, and down. Since that one worked, I'm not going to do anymore. We're just going to hold on to the memory of that one. So again, there's lots of little things, but those are the main factors. If you have any specific questions or you're having specific issues that I didn't address, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. We will get these. We will all be able to donkey kick together. All right. Thanks, guys. Good luck. See you later.